Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sell on Creative Fabrica. Now, in order to start selling on Creative Fabrica, we must first head over to their website. And I've actually included a link at the top of the description which you can click to get brought straight to this page. When we're on here, we want to go into the top right corner. And if we've already made an account, we're just going to go ahead and sign out. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Open Store. From there, we'll be brought to this page and we can scroll down and click this Open Your Shop button to begin. And from here, we just want to create an account. And once you've created your account, we're now ready to start. So we can go down and click this Open Your Shop button again. And then from here, we want to click Turn My Account into a Designer Account. From here, we just want to enter in our full name, our designer name, links to our products or shop, links to our design portfolio, and reasons why we would like to sell on Creative Fabrica. So you just want to fill out all of this information, and then from there you can request to open your shop. From there, Creative Fabrica will look over all of the stuff you said, and if they accept you, you will then be able to start listing your products for sale on Creative Fabrica. So that's how you can sell on Creative Fabrica. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.